How to join a Zoom meeting in your laptop. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can join a Zoom meeting in your PC. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your Zoom. Now you can open up the Zoom in your web browser as well, or simply open up the Zoom. After you open up the Zoom, what you'll then need to do is if you have the link for the Zoom meeting, you can simply tap on the Zoom meeting link and then you'll get joined directly. If not, after you open up your Zoom, there you will see the join option. Tap on the join option, and right here you will be able to type in the meeting ID or personal link name. So just type in the meeting ID, which will be some random numbers here. And after you do that, there you can see two options. One is if you don't want to connect to audio or if you want to join as your video turned off. Then tap on the join button to join the meeting. And it's that simple, guys. That is how you can join a Zoom meeting on your PC. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye.